Click on the link below to get price. The Ancheer 26 electric bike for adults is an impressive blend of style, power, and efficiency that is perfect for both commuting and leisurely rides. With its peak 750W motor, this electric bicycle delivers robust performance, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 22 miles per hour, which is particularly beneficial for those who need to navigate through urban landscapes quickly. The bike's sleek design is visually appealing, boasting a sturdy aluminum frame that balances durability with lightweight maneuverability. One of the standout features of the Ancheer electric bike is its 3 working modes: pure electric, assisted, and manual. This versatility allows you to customize your riding experience based on your preferences. When using the electric mode, the bike effortlessly glides along, making it ideal for longer distances without breaking a sweat. The pedal assist mode is perfect for those who enjoy a bit of exercise while still benefiting from the motor's power. The bike is equipped with a removable lithium-ion battery that offers a range of up to 30 miles on a single charge when used in electric mode. This impressive range makes it a great option for daily commutes or weekend adventures. The charging process is simple, and the battery can be easily removed and charged indoors, adding to the convenience. Comfort is another key highlight. The bike features a height-adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars, allowing for a customized fit. The 26-inch wheels provide stability and ensure a smooth ride over various terrains. Additionally, the front suspension fork absorbs shocks effectively, making it suitable for bumpy roads or off-road paths. While the bike does have some weight to it, about 56 pounds, it is manageable and still offers a smooth riding experience. The assembly process out of the box is straightforward, and most users will find they can put it together without professional assistance. In summary, the Ancheer 26 electric bike for adults stands out for its powerful motor, versatility, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience.